Hi, I'm Landon Bushing, your local real estate expert. I want to take you on this tour on this new listing, 74 Markleville Lane, located here in Westfield, Indiana, minutes away from Grand Park. Come on, let's go take a look. Here we are in the primary bedroom of this glorious ranch house. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath. It's a little over 2,000 square feet. Again, we're located in Westfield, Indiana, and it's minutes away from Grand Park. This particular master, I think you're going to love the bathroom. Check that out. Here we are in our kitchen space. What I think a future buyer is just going to love about this property is its cabinetry is immaculate. It's in great condition, super ultra clean. What I particularly like about this property is the sheer size. We have high cathedral ceilings, which flows into this nice big open concept. Take a look. Here we are out back. What I really love about this outdoor space, it's completely fenced in. You have a custom concrete patio. Even better, you don't have neighbors on top of you. You've got your own privacy pond. Take a look at this.